Good morning to dear student. Today we will read a new chapter of English Companion. This is the first chapter from semester 2 book. The chapter name is The Three Boat. This chapter is linked with the English Reader chapter, that is the Song of the Train. In the reader, you read about the train journey. Now read a story about three boats. Okay, in the reader, you read about it. Read about train journey. How mini do his journey in a train. Now you will read about three boat. Okay. Once upon a time, there were three boats on a river. Okay, once upon a time, एक समय की बात है. There were three boats on a river. Duty was a new motorboat. Duty was a new motorboat. Okay, this is Duty. Tarasvi was a beautiful sailing boat. Tarasvi was a beautiful sailing boat. Sailing boat means a boat with sails. Sails means you can see this is the sail we are calling. Okay, sails are large sheets of thick strong cloth fixed on the boat so that the wind can push the boat forward. Okay, this is a large sheet. With the help of this, the boat is sailing. Okay, sailboat. Then Surela was a small robot. Surela was a small robot. Okay, robot means she did not have any motor. She did not have any sail sheet. Only she has a two oars. Okay. Duty was very proud because she was the fastest. Tarasvi was proud too because she had traveled to many places. Duty was also proud because she was the fastest boat because she had a motor on it, and Tarasvi was also very proud because she had to travel many places and she is also fastest than Surela. They looked at Surela and laughed because she was not new, fast, beautiful or big. Okay, Duty and Tarasvi laughed at Surela because Surela is not very fast boat. Okay, she is not very beautiful, or she is not very big, or she is not looking like new. Okay, but Surela just smiled and floated on the waves. Okay, but Surela did not react to their laugh, and she just smiled and continued to wave on the river. Okay. One day the king wanted to cross the river. One day what happened? The king, okay, wanted to cross the river. He got into the motorboat. Duty began to move, but suddenly she stopped. The motor was not working. Okay, the king first stepped into which boat? First Duty his journey from Duty. Okay, but suddenly what happened? Duty's motor was stopped and the boat is not working. The king then got into the sailing boat. Tarasvi started moving her sails, flying in the wind, but suddenly she stopped. There was no wind at all. Okay, what happened? Then motorboat stopped. The king go into sailing boat. Okay, that is Tarasvi. Okay, then Tarasvi started her sailing. Okay, moving her sails, flying in the wind, but suddenly she stopped. There was no wind at all. Okay, there was no wind at the river, so sailing was not happening. The king then got into the rowboat. Surela was very happy. Okay, then what happened? Then last of all, king got into the rowboat. Okay, Surela was very happy. Her oars went splash, splish, splash, splosh in the water, and this music made the king happy. Okay, her oars. Oars means long, heavy poles with a flat end on the one side used to row a boat. This is splash. Okay, with the help of oars, King started his journey, and there is no problem in Surela's boat. Okay, they went wherever king want to go, he go. Okay, her oars went splish splash splash. The sound which is coming from the oar, that made king very happy. Okay, thank you. From this the chapter is finished.